Frederick Douglass vocabulary. 1. Common. Meaning, something that happens often or is shared by many. Sentence, it is common to see birds in the park. 2. Though. Meaning, even if, but. Sentence, she was tired, though she kept working. 3. Slavery. Meaning, when people are forced to work without freedom. Sentence, slavery was a big problem in history. 4. Abolitionist. Meaning, a person who worked to end slavery. Sentence, Frederick Douglass was a famous abolitionist. 5. Equality. Meaning, when everyone is treated the same and fairly. Sentence, we all deserve equality in school and life. 6. Appointed. Meaning, chosen for a job or position. Sentence, she was appointed as the class leader. 7. Influential. Meaning, having the power to change things or help others. Sentence, Martin Luther King Jr. was an influential leader.